How to change the side button function or power button function on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. By default, when you long press the side button, it will launch the Gemini or Google on your latest Samsung S25 series. To change it, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings gear icon or settings app. Now scroll down up to advanced feature. Here you can find the advanced feature on your Samsung S25 series. Now tap the side button option on your phone. Here you can see the two options, double press and a long press. So first we see the long press. Now when you select the long press, you can see by default set the digital assistant Google on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. So when you long press it, you can see the Gemini launch. So if you want to set a Bixby, set the Bixby and long press it, and you can see launch the Bixby on your device. And the last one is the power of menu. So when you long press the side key, it will see the power menu on your Samsung device. You can also at the bottom you can see the side button setting. So just tap on it and you can see this setting side button. So tap on a long press again and select the option you want. In the double press, you can see the by default open the camera. So here we select the another application. Tap on a setting gear of apps. Here we select the calculator. Now open the camera calculator application we select. So when you double press the power button, it will open the calculator. Let's see 1 2, and it will access. You can access the calculator. So very handy feature to quickly access your favorite application using this double press and long press side button setting on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.